Every designer is worried right now that they're sooner or later in the near future gonna be replaced by AI. Now, I'm not here to tell you that AI is just a trend and that it's gonna go away in a couple of months, but I believe that it's much less scary than it seems. Hey, I'm Tobias and I build websites that sell at Built for Sales. And according to 99% of what the media says, my job should have already been replaced.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
But as far as I'm concerned, I am still here booking new clients. Let me tell you some of my thoughts. So what is going on? Let's be that serious. What is the shift that we're currently facing? In just one sentence, AI is democratizing technical skills. For years, you as a creative professional or with a development background, you had an unfair advantage over everybody else because you knew skills that were just super hard to acquire. And that advantage is now shrinking. But here's the thing, this shift has happened once before. I'll take my own profession as an example, which is web design. Think about it. WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, templates have existed for years now. Anyone could spin up a website in an hour. Yet businesses hire me to help them out with their website. Why is that? Well, quite frankly, because there's a difference between making a website and making a website that actually works. The tools you use themselves don't make you an expert. Understanding what works and why makes you a real professional. Although AI is really good at executing, there is stuff AI can't do. Everyone can bake bread at home. You can Google a recipe, but yet you still decide to go to a bakery. Why, you ask? Well, not because you wouldn't be able to bake a bread, but the baker just knows it better than you. They've made thousands of loaves of bread and know exactly what tastes good and what doesn't. It's the same with AI. It can generate designs, come up with ideas, but it can't judge them whether those are good or not. But you as a professional absolutely can. That's ultimately the skill that customers pay for, your decision making. So what does this mean for you as a designer? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. You will shift from the executor role to the director role. Instead of spending hours fiddling around pixel pushing in Figma or whatever software you use, you're prompting. And the AI, as your assistant, does the execution for you. Your job is then to judge and refine whatever the AI came up with. This actually means you could work on a scale you could never work before. What used to take an entire team is now just you with AI leverage. But, and this is really, really important, only if you're willing to adapt. There is new software developed every single day, and AI is advancing as fast as ever. I've very recently seen an entire marketing page with custom interactions, nice layout, buttery smooth animations being generated by just a single prompt. So if you keep on sticking to that execution role, you will sooner or later be replaced. But the designers that step up to become design directors, they will thrive. So to conclude, AI isn't going to replace designers. It's simply changing the way that we work. But it also has insane positive aspects. We can work at an insane level of scale, which we could never do before. The technical bar alone isn't enough anymore for you to stand out of the crowd, which means that strategy and judgment matter now more than ever. I'm certain that if you learn to adapt to these new AI skills, you can use AI as a crazy leverage. And that, to me, makes the future incredibly exciting. If you have similar thoughts, or maybe think the total opposite way, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.